Here we are at 3350 Santa Maria Way. We are going into the unit downstairs from what we manage. Hello, hello, hello. Realtor, hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Let's see. Not this one. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so. Oh, is that the most amount of light? Okay. Okay, so. That is completely open. All right. All right, so we're gonna set up a dehumidifier in here. And it looks like we have a plug right there, so we'll set it up over here. Move all this. That out of the way. Okay, move this here. Okay. Alrighty. So. We're exiting the unit. We're going to get the dehumidifier and we'll be right back.